Hello teacher, today I will introduce you the Let's Go iTunes as well as the syllabus. So now first of all you have to click on iTunes, click on Windows, click on oup.exe, run, and you skip this screen. As you can see, here we go, we have student book and we have workbook. For example, you just click on Let's Remember, click number 2. This is the page, number 2 and 3. Look at the screen, we have a small icon of the speaker here. We have a star here. Click here for the audio.
Page 2.
IJKLMNOP.
And if it is the song, you click here, the whole song will replay. And when you click play line again, only one separate line will play.
QRS, QRS, QRS.
You see, just like a piece of cake, right? Here we go, we have Let's Count,
Page 3.
the audio, and we have the exercise. Read and match, click and listen. 1, 2, see all the answer.
2, 3, 4, 5,
5,
10.
yeah. To move to the next pages, or you can click here to move to the workbook. If you and your student have time, of course, why not use the workbook? And let's see, what do we have here in resources? We have the audio, everything you need. We have the story in comic version.
What's this? It's a ball. Is this a ball? No, it isn't. It's a peach.
Very nice. With the teacher cards, the bookmarks, and the flip chart if you have. You click here if you want to give your student some time to do something. And this is the annotation. You draw it, clean, draw it, or clear everything. The spotlight, to focus on things, and screen shade if you want to have them activities. Like, guess what it is. And the notes, the text, you type here. I believe by this way your student can find it easier to remember. And please don't forget that we also have the syllabus. All you have to do is use our iTunes as well as follow our syllabus. Let's see. In the syllabus of Let's Go, we have unit, lesson, page, aims, and new language. For example, if the unit today is unit 1, things for school, and the page is from 1 to 3, it will take you 2 lessons to finish 2 pages. For page number 4 and 5, only 1 lesson. 6 and 7, 2 lessons to complete. 8 and 9, 2 lessons to complete again. However, from 10 to 11 page, only 1 lesson. So please always remember to follow that. Because as you may know, There are only 18 lessons for each section. So at the end of each section, we're gonna have a test. That is the way for you and your student to review everything you've already learned together. Okay? And that's all for the Let's Go. Thank you for watching.